Hey, hi, welcome to the day one of the Business Growth Workshop. I'm really excited to see you there. Today, we'll go deep down into the concepts and we'll start our journey towards these 5 days. How to build a successful sales career and how to grow your business. Before starting on, I would like to give a small brief introduction about myself. I am Mudit Gupta and I am into the sales profession for last 10 years. I am working with multiple clients. I have worked with so many sales reps. I am working with so many professionals to understand their clients' problem, their clients' need, and to give them the perfect and the best solution for their problems. I am into the sales and training industry for last 4 years. And before that, I myself have done sales for my business and I've met more than 5,000 clients. I've done more than 5,000 one-to-one sales calls personally. So no one better than me understand the sales right now. So let's straight go deep down into the concepts I wanted to share with you on day one. Let's go. So let's understand. There are few points which I have made. So now I would like you to know that when it comes to sales, when it comes to selling, and when it comes to your business, the one person who revolves the business of whom revolves around is you. You are the only one the business revolves around you. So if you see, the point I want to make here is, for your business, nothing is more important than you. You are the biggest asset for your business. You got to understand this one thing. Before starting, you need to work on yourself. And there are three components when it comes to you. The three components basically are attitude, skills, and the knowledge. You need to got the right mindset and the right attitude towards your business, towards your clients, towards your prospect, to win in every situation. Skills and knowledge, these are the two things. People tend to gain knowledge through different things, through different books, through different movies, through different courses. They gather the skills which they require up to some momentum. And attitude is one thing which people tends to forget sometimes. So I want to focus, I want to really harp upon this point, that when your attitude is right, you will attract in your life the right skills and the right knowledge which you require to gain your business, to evolve your business, and to raise the bar of your business. So the number one thing which you need to focus is on yourself. If you want to win this game, if you want to win this battle of sales, you need to work on yourself. You are the biggest asset. Your family revolves around you, your business revolves around you. Basically, you are the center of your universe. You need to find a way so that everything goes in and comes right. You need to take care of yourself. So let's go on to the second thing which I wanted to share with you today is, you need to think about your prospect. You need to think about the right person you want to sell to. You need to understand two basic things. What is the situation of your client and what is the need of that client? You need to understand the situation is, you can understand through various things, through his office setup, through his colleagues, through his friends and family, through his social media profile. You can find out what currently the situation he's going through. But to identify his need, you need to ask him the questions. You need to ask him the right questions. If we talk about asking the questions, there are two methods to ask the questions. One is the pull method and another one is the push method of asking the questions. Basically, they are linked to the open probes and the close probes. You need to ask the open-ended question and you need to ask the close-ended questions to gain the access of the need of your prospect and the situation of your prospect. So let's go and deep down into the third and important thing which I wanted to share is your market. You know, I have met a lot of people, I have met a lot of businessmen, and this is one particular thing that most of the businessmen misses out, or the reverse is there. They harp so much on this point that they just revolve on this point. So the third point which I wanted to share here is your competitor. You need to find out who all are in the market, who are your competitors, and what are the pricing they are offering to your prospect, to your clients, and what other offerings in their product they are offering to your clients. You need to find out, you need to identify all these things to gain access for your success in your business. Okay, so these are the important 3 points which I wanted to share with you today on day one. So I have a small assignment for you which you got to do today, and that small assignment is you need to do 3 things. Number one thing, you need to introduce yourself on this group. Who are you? From which part of the country you belong to, your city, and what you do exactly. So we need to make this group a bit interactive. Second thing, I want you to write down in this group what are your belief on sales. So see, understand, this is a very important thing. If you don't let your brain knows, and don't, if you don't bring it out what are your beliefs in on sales, you are not going to do better. I harp on this point. Do work on your attitude and bring out these beliefs in sales and write down on the group. And the third point is, what do you think you are not good at in sales? When it comes to sales, the thing which stops you from doing sales, I want you to write down on the group. Okay, so these are your assignments for today. You are going to do it today. We are going to close the group now, and we're going to open the group tomorrow 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. wherein you are going to put in the answer of these all assignments. You need to basically complete these assignments, and for those who will complete the assignments on time, we have a special gift arranged for you tomorrow, an extra session. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. Cheers.